Hello, I'm Richard Bevers with Big KAISER Precision Tooling. I'm here today with Mel Kyseth, the lead programmer here at Team Penske. And today we're going to talk about how Team Penske utilizes the UNILOCK Zero-point system specifically designed for 5-axis machines. So Mel, what can you tell us about the advantages that Team Penske has discovered by using the UNILOCK 5-axis system?
Well, it's a very versatile system. We can stack risers like you see here to get our parts up off the table, or if we need them down a little lower, you can take a riser out. That allows us to get at all sides of the part. This particular part here, we've actually machined all 6 sides of the part.
Right.
And so we've reduced our operations from 4 or 5 operations to 2.
Very nice.
Which also results in increased accuracy and a better quality part.
It's a great looking part.
Well, thank you.
How about the changeover time? Is it easy to change from one part to the next?
Yeah, basically, you just unscrew the bolts on the side there, it releases the part. You just put the next one in, clamp it down, and you're ready to go.
And the location is very repeatable?
Location's very repeatable.
Good.
We can actually we've taken this part here that ran on another machine, an identical machine, moved it over here and didn't change a thing.
Very nice.
Repeated within a thousands from where we were. So.
And I imagine that getting the part up off the table like that can help reduce the length of the tools that you need?
Correct, yeah. The head will slide down in front of that table now.
Okay.
So we can use shorter tools. We don't have to have something sticking out a mile.
And how have you found it to be as far as rigidity goes?
Very rigid, very rigid. Never had a problem with it.
Great.
Never had a problem with it.
Great.
I can't say enough good things about it.
All right. There you have it, folks. That's how Team Penske utilizes the UNILOCK 5-axis system.